Hi, hello बच्चों. Welcome back to my channel Maths से लगे रहो. In today's class we are learning probability remaining MCQ questions, dear students. Now let us see the next question. Question number 11. If capital A and capital B are two events such that P of A is not equal to 0 and P of B bar A is equal to 1, then which of the following? So now P of B bar A is equal to 1 is given, dear students. So given you write P of B bar A is equal to 1, dear students. So P of B bar A, how we will write? So P of A intersection B divided by P of A. Everyone know this formula. In last video we have discussed this. So P of B bar A is formula is what? P of A intersection B divided by P of A. So it should have to give one answer, means A intersection B must be what here, dear students? This P of A intersection B must be P of A, P of A, P of A get cancelled and you will get answer as 1, dear students. Then when you will get A intersection B as a dear students. So that is only happens in, since you see here, A is a subset of B, then only it will give what? A intersection B is equal to A. In previous video we have discussed this in first video. A intersection B is equal to A, dear students. If A is a subset of B, A intersection B is equal to A. For example, I will give, suppose you take a die is thrown, you will get the sample space as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, dear students. Correct? So now I will take here A is equal to what? 1, 2 and B is equal to, I will take it as 1, 2, 3, dear students. So both are contained in this one. So now see, A is a subset. A is a subset of B or not? A is contained in B. A इसमें है ना 1, 2. So A इधर ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇದೆ. So then you can say A is a subset of B. You can say A is a subset. Then what is the intersection, dear students? Intersection you take. Intersection means what? Common elements, dear students. Common elements are what? 1, 1, 2, 2. So this is giving as answer as A, dear students. This is happening when A is a subset of B, A intersection B is equal to A, then what will happen? Therefore, P of A intersection B, A intersection B is what? A, dear students. So P of A divided by P of A is equal to 1. So this get cancelled, 1 is equal to 1 you will get. So then this condition will satisfy, and which of the following is correct? You see here, A is a subset of B is there in option A. A is the correct answer, my dear students. I hope you have understood. So we'll go for the next question. Please copy this. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 12. If the events A and B independent, then P of A intersection B is what? So if they are saying A and B are independent, then P of A intersection B is equal to, this is directly formula, P of A into P of B. This is the correct answer, dear students. A and B independent idre P of A intersection B ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? P of A into P of B ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. So A and B दोनों independent है तो P of A intersection B क्या होता है मालूम है? P of A into P of B होता है. So which option will matches? You see, P of A intersection B is equal to, that is matching with option C, dear students. So C is the correct answer. Please copy this. We will see the next question, dear students. I hope all of you have copied. Now let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 13. If P of A is equal to 7 by 13, P of B is equal to 9 by 13 and P of A intersection B is equal to 4 by 13, then P of A bar B, dear students. So P of A bar B, how will write? Everyone know, dear students, this formula? Yes or no? So P of A intersection B is equal to divided by P of B, dear students. So last में कौन सा है ना? B है. So B लिखना. B ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, B ನೇ ತೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. A bar B ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಡೌನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. So now P of A intersection B, how much it is? P of A intersection B the DA ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So 4 by 13, dear students. So P of B is how much? 9 by 13. So 13 get cancelled. You are remaining with 4 by 9, dear students. So 4 by 9 is the correct answer, or that is matching with option B, dear students. So B for bingo. Bingo is our answer. I hope you understood. So we will go for the next question. Please copy this one. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 14. If P of A is equal to 8 by 15, P of B is equal to 7 by 15, and P of A intersection B is equal to 2 by 15, then P of B bar A is what? There are given 4 options. Now let us find, dear students, P of B bar A. P of B bar A, I will write, dear students, everyone know this. So P of A intersection B divided by, what is their second element here? A, no? So then you have to write here P of A, dear student. If it is B means P of B will come. ಎರಡನೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದನ್ನೇ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. So P of A intersection B is how much? P of A intersection B is 2 by 15, and P of A is how much? 8 by 15, dear students. 15 get cancelled, so you will remain with 2 by 8, dear students. So 2 by 8 means what? 2 1s are, 2 4s are, dear students. So we will get 1 by 4, dear students. I hope it is clear. So which option will match us? That is C. C for Congo. Congo is the answer, dear students. Please copy this. We will go for the next question, dear students. I hope if you are understanding. So please like my channel. Don't forget, because each like will inspire me to do the next video, dear students, and it will help me a lot. I hope you will like my channel and you will support us. Fine. So please copy this. Let us see the next question, dear students. I hope you have liked my channel. Don't forget. So now see here. If P of B is equal to 0.5 and P of A intersection B is equal to 0.32, then P of A bar B is what? Very interesting question. So P of A bar B. This is a halva question, dear students, actually. So board will give halva for you. You have to eat properly, that much. So P of A bar B, I will write P of A intersection B divided by P of B, dear students. So now try to understand here. Very carefully you have to observe. P of A intersection B is what? 0.32 divided by P of B is how much, dear students? 0.5. So 0.32 I will write as this. So 0.5 I can write it as 0.50, dear students. 0.5 means also same. 0.50 also same only, dear students. 0.5 ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಒಂದೇ, 0.50 ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಒಂದೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. So now see here. So this can be done as 32 by, how many decimals are there here? 2 are there. 32 by 100 we can write. So 50 by 100 I can write. Will you agree, everyone? So if you divide 32 by 100, you will get as a 0.32 only, dear students. ನೀವು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, 100 ಲೆ. So 100 get cancelled. So 32 by 50 will remain, dear students. 2 16s are 32, 2 25s are 50, dear students. We will get the answer 16 by 25, dear students. 2 16s are 32, 2 25s are 50, dear students. So then we will get the answer it as option D, dear students. D for done. Done is our answer. So we'll go for the next question, dear students. Fine. Please copy this. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 16. If P of A is equal to 0.5 and P of B is equal to 0, then find P of A bar B, dear students. So P of A bar B. P of A bar B we have to find. So P of A bar B means what, dear students? Everyone know the formula now. P of A intersection B divided by P of B, dear students. Second element is B. P of B will come. So P of A intersection B, I don't know. I will write as this. So P of A intersection B divided by P of B is how much? 0, dear students. If numerator is having something, denominator is 0 means what will happen? It is not defined, no? So similarly here, it is not exist, dear students. So not exists. So then our answer will be what? D. D for Delhi is our answer. So please copy this. We'll go for the next question, dear students. Let us see the next question, dear students. So now see here, 17th one. If P of A is equal to 0.4 and P of B is equal to 0.8 and P of B bar A is equal to 0.6, then P of A intersection B is what, dear students? Very easy question. This is a lollipop question, dear students. Really very good question. So now see here, easily you can find this. P of B bar A is what? 0.6, dear students. Will you agree? I have to find here what? P of A intersection B. Correct? So now see here. So P of B bar A, how I can write? P of A intersection B divided by P of A. Second element is A, no? So that's why P of A will come. 0.6. I hope everyone understood. P of A intersection B. Now everyone are getting and सबको चमक रहा है. So P of A cross multiply here into P of A, dear students. So 0.6 into P of A is how much? P of A is 0.4, dear students. If you multiply 0.6 into 0.4, you will get it as 0.24, dear students. This is our required answer. This is only P of A intersection B. So option A matches, dear students. So A is our answer. A for awesome. Awesome is our answer. So please copy this. We will go for the next question, dear students. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 18. If P of A is equal to 0.3 and P of B is equal to 0.4, A and B are mutually exclusive events, then P of A bar B is what? Dear students, A and B are mutually exclusive. Mutually exclusive ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಗುರುತಾ? So इसका मतलब क्या है मालूम है? Mutually exclusive events means A intersection B is empty, dear students. दोनों का बीच में कॉमन नहीं रहता. A intersection B ಮತ್ತು A ಮತ್ತು B ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಯಾವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. So here no common elements will be there. This is empty, dear students. So then probability of A intersection B is equal to 0, dear students. Remember, if A and B are mutually exclusive means probability of A intersection B is what? 0, dear students. Clear? Chamka sabko? So now see here, how to solve this one now? So I have to find here what? Therefore, P of A bar B. I have to find this only. So what is the formula, dear students? Everyone know this. So P of A intersection B divided by P of B, dear student. Chamka sabko? So now P of A intersection B is how much? 0 divided by P of B is how much? 0.4. 0 divided by 0.4 means what? That will give answer as 0, dear students. So our option is what? A, dear students. So A for awesome. Awesome is our answer. I hope you are understood this one. So if you are understanding this video, so please like my channel. Don't forget, once again reminding. So थोड़ा प्रेस करो जी, क्या कर रहे हैं? ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಒತ್ತಿರಿ ಬಟನ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅದ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ. So we'll go for the next question. Please copy this. We'll see the next question, dear students. This question is really halwa question. Jamun question also you can say. Very sweet question. So if P of A is equal to 3 by 5 and P of B is equal to 1 by 5, A and B are independent events, then P of A intersection B is really a very good question, dear students. Really we can enjoy this one. So now see here, main important is what? This line. A and B are what? Independent events. Independent events means what? And I have to find this one. Independent event just now we have discussed. So P of A intersection B is what? What is the formula? And this was one of the objective was there now. So P of A intersection B is what? P of A into P of B. If A and B are independent events, A ಮತ್ತು B independent events ಇದ್ರೆ P of A intersection B ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? P of A into P of B ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So I hope सबको समझ में आ रहा है. A and B दोनों independent events है, तो A intersection B है ना P of A into P of B होता है. So P of A is what? What is P of A? 3 by 5. And what is P of B? Very interesting question. Easily you can do this. 3 1 ja 3, 5 5 ja 25. So this is our required answer, my dear student. पहले ही बोला था this is the easiest question. मैं ಮೊದಲೇ ಇದೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಸುಲಭವಾಗಿರೋ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ. So A for aha is the answer, dear students. So please copy this. So we'll see the next question. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 20. If P of A is equal to 0.6, P of F is equal to 0.3 and P of E intersection F is equal to 0.2, then P of E bar F is what? Very easy. Again, halwa question. Board is giving many halwas for us. So nowadays, you have to see properly and eat. So P of E bar F, dear students. P of E bar F. कैसा लिखता है? हे परिधि फॉर्मूला यू नो. सो P of E intersection F divided by a second element is what? F, no? So P of F will come here, dear students. So P of E intersection F is how much? 0.2. P of F is how much? 0.3, dear students. See, they had given a P of E to make us confusion. No use only that. Now see here, understand here how to answer this. 0.2 means how many decimals are there? 1. Then I can write it as 2 by 10. 2 by 10 is nothing but 0.2, dear students. 0.3, 3 by 10 we can write. 10 get cancelled. What is your answer? 2 by 3 is our required answer, my dear students. That is there in B option. B for bingo. Bingo is our answer. We'll see the next question. Please copy this. Question number 21 we'll see. So now see here, if A is a subset of B, then P of B bar A is what, dear students? So now try to understand here. A is a subset of B. So this means what? A is contained in B, dear students. A is a subset of B means what? A is contained in B, dear students. So that is just now we have discussed. A is equal to 1 to A is equal to 1 to 8. Sorry, dear students. A is equal to 1 to and B is what? B is 1 to 3. So A intersection B is what? A is contained in B. A is contained in B means A is a subset of B. ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? A B ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇದ್ರೆ A is a subset of B ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. A is contained in B. A ना B में है तो उसको ही हम क्या बोलते हैं? A is a subset of B. So A intersection B क्या आता है? Just now I have discussed. Again I am writing this. A intersection B means common elements 1 2 1 2. So that is 1 2 is a common. Intersection means common. So it is giving A or not? That only they are saying. A is a subset. Symbol of subset is thus. A is a subset of B means A intersection B is equal to A will get the students. A intersection B is what? A only. A is a subset of B means. So what I have to find? P of B bar A. P of B bar A is what? P of A intersection B divided by P of A, dear students. Yes or no? A is the second element, so you have to write second elements down. P of A intersection B is what? A intersection B is A. Lottery. A intersection B is A log. So A intersection B, you write it as A. So P of A divided by P of A, both will get cancelled. You will get the answer as 1. So our option is matching with A, dear students. A for awesome. Awesome is the answer, dear students. Please copy this. We'll go for next question. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 22. If A intersection B is equal to empty, then P of B bar A is P of B bar A. How will we write, dear students? P of B bar A. So first of all, we should discuss what is given. Okay. A intersection B is what, dear students? A intersection B is empty. So this means what? Probability of A intersection B is what? Actually, these are mutually exclusive events, dear students. Mutually exclusive is nothing but disjoint sets, dear students. So now P of A intersection B is how much? This will give as 0, dear students. So now let us find what? P of B bar A, dear students. So how to find this one? P of B bar A, how will we write, dear students? P of A intersection B divided by P of A, dear students. So now see. So P of A intersection B is how much? 0 or not? 0 I can write. P of A we will write. So P of A may be anything. So 0 by anything is what? Here we can write it as 0, dear students. I hope you understood this. So our option will matches with C, dear students. So C for cake. Cake is our answer. Please copy this. We'll go for the next question. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 23. If A and B are two independent events, P of A is equal to 1 by 7, P of B is equal to 1 by 6, P of A complement intersection B complement. Suppose you have to understand here, dear students, if I throw a die, what you will get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 will get. Getting an even number. A is what? Getting an even number. Even number is what? 2, 4, 6. Correct? Huh? Getting an odd number. If I get an odd number means I had failed. Getting an even number is my success, you think. If getting an odd number is my failure, no? So 1, 3, 5. So A is independent of getting even number here. It is not depending on anything. Even A complement is also independent. So even number आने के लिए कितना chances है ना? Odd number आने के लिए उतना ही chances है बोल रहा हूँ मैं. So this is not depending on A. A is not depending on A complement. A complement is not depending on A, dear students. That means A is independent means A complement is also independent, dear students. I am saying. ನಾನು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, A independent ಇದ್ರೆ A complement independent ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Understood? A independent है तो A complement भी independent ही रहता है. So now see here. So P of A complement intersection B complement, we can write it as P of A complement into P of B complement. Independent means how will write, dear students? You remember independent events means P of A intersection B is what? P of A into P of B will write, no? Yes or no? So this is A is independent means A complement is also independent. B is independent means B complement is also independent. Then we can write it as P of A into P of B will write, no? Then we can write this as P of A complement into P of B complement. So P of A complement how will write? You know the formula, dear students. Success plus failure always gives equal to 1, dear students. Success and failure always gives equal to 1, dear students. If you want, you can see probability of A is what? 3 by 6 will write. That is 1 by 2. So probability of A complement is 3 by 6 will get. So again the 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is what? 1 only, dear students. So success and failure always gives equal to 1. So now probability of A complement I have to write plus P of A if you take that side. 1 minus P of A, dear students. So P of A complement means what? 1 minus P of A. P of B complement means 1 minus P of B, dear students. So P of A is what? What is P of A? 1 minus P of A is, that is 1 by 7. P of B is what? 1 by 6, dear students. So now see, 7 1 ja 7. 7 minus 1 is, see here, 7 1 ja 7. 7 minus 1 is 6 by 7. So 6 1 ja 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 by 6 will get. 6 6 get cancelled. 5 by 7 is our answer. That is matching with option A, dear students. A for awesome. Awesome is the answer. So please copy this. We will go for the next question. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 24. The chances of getting a doublet with 2 dice is. So you are having a 2 dice. If you throw them up, 2 dice, 2 dice को फेंको, क्या आता है? So what the outcomes you will get? You know everyone. So that is 1 1, 1 2, so on up to 1 6. Similarly 2 1, 2 2, so on. It will continue like this. Will you agree? कहाँ तक? 6 1, 6 2, so on up to where? 6 6. If you throw a 2 dice, you will get this one. Correct outcomes. Number of sample space, how many are there? Total 36 are there, dear students. Outcomes this is. So what they had asked, dear students, getting a doublet. The chances of getting a doublet. ಡಬ್ಲೆಟ್ का मतलब क्या होता है? ಡಬ್ಲೆಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ ಬರಬೇಕು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. डबलेट्स का मतलब होता है जी दोनों नंबर सेम ही आना है. So now see here, दोनों नंबर सेम which are there? 1 1. Yes, this number you can't take. ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನು ತಗೋವಾಗ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇದೆ, ನಡೆಯುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಡಬಲೆಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ दोनों सेम ही होना है नंबर. ಎರಡು ನಂಬರು ಸೇಮೇ ಇರಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So now see here, how many are there? 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5, 6 6. Yes or no? So total there are 6 are there, dear students. Out of 36, 1 2 3, if you count, 6 are there, no? So then our probability of getting and what? Doublet. Probability of what? Getting a doublet is how much? So how many are there? Total 6 are there out of 36. So that is 6 1 ja, 6 6 ja, 6 1 ja, 6 6 ja, 36, dear student. This is our required answer. Option B is correct. So B for bingo. Bingo is our answer. I not written those outcomes. You know that 1 1, 2 2 and so on up to 6 6. Total 6 are there. 6 by 36. Total outcomes are 36. Favorable outcomes are 6, dear students. 1 by 36. 1 by 6 will get answer. Fine. We'll see the next question. Please copy this. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 25. If P of A is equal to 0.8, P of B is equal to 0.5 and P of B bar A is equal to 0.4, then P of A bar B is what? Very simple question, dear students. This is given. I will write this one. P of B bar A is how much? How much it is? 0.4, dear students. P of B bar A, I will write P of A intersection B divided by P of A is equal to 0.4, dear students. So P of A intersection B is equal to 0.4 into P of A, dear students. So P of A I had cross multiplied. Why we are finding this? P of A bar B is required means then I have to find what? P of A intersection B. Yes or no? So now 0.4 into P of A is how much? 0.8, dear students. So if you multiply this, you will get 0.32. Correct? So then I have to find what? P of A bar B now. P of A bar B, I will write P of A intersection B divided by P of B, dear students. Everyone know this formula. So now P of A intersection B is what? 0.32. 0.32 or not? This is only P of A intersection B, dear students. Just now we have got. So P of B is how much? P of B is 0.5. This one how we will write? Just we have discussed in this video. 0.32 divided by 0.50 I can write. So then this can be written as what? 32 by 100, 50 by 100, dear students. So 100 get cancelled. You will remain with 32 by 50. Yes sir. So now how much it is? 216 are 225 are, dear students. 16 by 25 is the required answer, my dear students. That is matching with option A. A for awesome. Awesome is our answer. I hope you have understood something from this video. So यारिगाद्रू स्वल्पनाद्रू अर्थ आगिद्रे लाइक माडी. Don't forget, थोड़ा तो समझ में आया तो आप लाइक करो हमारे चैनल को. So don't forget because it will help me a lot, dear students. So we'll meet you in my next class. तब तक लगे रहो मैथ्स के साथ, dear students. So we'll see and we'll meet you in next video. Please copy this. Thank you.